Okay, so we have the next one from 41 to 45, Jamb 2025 mathematics. So let's go right to the question. So we have number 41 here. Find the value for which, the value of t for which this, so we have 1 over 2 raised to the power of t minus 1 equals to 64. So we have what is called index law. Whenever there is a fraction, the power here is 1. Let's take it up. So this is like 2 raised to the power of minus 1 raised to the power of t minus 1. Reason is because you can see that we have fraction here. So how many number of places can 2 go into 64? Is 6. That is 2 raised to the power of 6. The base are the same. Since the base are the same, let's equate the power. We have minus 1 here. Minus 1 bracket t minus 1 is equal to 6. Minus times t is minus t. Minus times minus 1 plus 1 equals to 6. Collect like terms. Minus t is equals to 6 minus 1. Minus t is equals to 6 minus 1 is 5. Divide both sides by minus 1. So our t is minus 5. Option B. Then number 42. If 54 in base 10 is equals to x in base 4. So you can see from here, this is already in base 10. So we have to convert this to base 4. So first of all, this is base 10. Either way, we have to convert this base 10 to base 4 so that they will be the same. So 54 in base 10. How do we? 54 in base 10 to base 4. What do we do? So we have to divide using long division. So we have 4 here. 4 going to 5 is 1, remainder 1. 4 going to 14 is 3, remainder 2. 4 going to 13 is 3, remainder 1. 4 going to this is 0, remainder 3. Once you get to a number that is less than any number that is here that is less than the base, you write 0 and bring the number here. So from down up, so we have 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2 in base 4 is the answer. Even though you are told to convert to 3 decimal point, that is 0.000. 0 after the decimal means nothing. Number 43. We have integrate the function y. So to integrate, remember you add 1 to the power and divide it by also the power. So we have 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 2x 1 plus 1, because the power here is 1 over 1 plus 1 minus, this is like x raised to the power of 0. Invisible x raised to the power of 0 is there. So we have minus 5x raised to the power of 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. So we have 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 over 3 plus 2x raised to the power of 2 over 2 minus 5x. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1, anything divided by 1 is that. This and this will cancel. So we are left with x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared minus 5x plus c, which is the constant. X raised to the power of 3 plus x squared minus 5x. That is option A. We go to number 44. Number 44, we have express fourth root of 0.16 in standard form. This is the same thing as 16 over 1 to 100. Can you see that? This is the same thing as 16 over 100. So how do we do this? First of all, this fourth root means what number will you multiply? Will multiply itself 4 times to give 16 is 2. Fourth root of 100. Let's check something first in standard form. Okay, let's try to reduce this. This is 1, 2. I'm checking the question very well. Just a minute. This is raised to the power of. Okay, I think the best way to go about this is that this is like 16 raised to the power of 16 over 100 raised to the power of 1 over 4. That is what fourth root means. So let me use this method. So let me try to reduce. 2 go here is 8. 2 go here is 50. 2 go here is 4. 2 go here is 25. So we have 4 over 25, 4 over 25 raised to the power of 1 over 4. There is a problem here. This is supposed to be, just a minute, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming, please. Let's go back to this. let's just maintain what we are doing here. So let's go back. I think this is the best way to go about this. So let's focus on this. This is like 16 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. Because I'm trying to take this thing up. Are you seeing that now? So there's the reason why I'm going through this route because of the option given to us. So this thing means 16 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 raised to the power of 1 over 4 because of this fourth root. And 16 in index form, when you talk about 2, is 2 raised to the power of 4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 raised to the power of 1 over 4. This 1 over 4 is affecting both 2 and 10. So we have 2 raised to the power of 4 times 1 over 4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 times 1 over 4. This and this will cancel. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we are left with 2 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. So the reason why I went through this route is because of the option given to us. So we have 2 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. A. Solve, this is inequality number 45. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 4. This is quadratic inequality. Quadratic inequality. So this is quadratic. X squared times minus 4 is minus 4x squared. Look for two factors. Now when you multiply, you get minus 4x squared. But when you add, you get 3x. So the two factors should be plus 4x minus x. So let's group into 2. We factor out. X going, this is x plus 4 minus 1 x plus 4 less than or equals to 0. So we have x minus 1 and x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. So here x can be 1 or minus 4. Then you start with the smaller one, remember. So let's start with this thing here. So minus 4 less than or equal to 0. You can see it's here. Sorry, less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Option D. And we are done with from question 41 to 45. Thank you.